Meaning of globalization.
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 Globalization. Globalization refers to the increasing interconnectedness and interdependence of economies, societies, and cultures across the world. It involves the free flow of goods, services, capital, and people across national borders, facilitated by advances in technology and communication. The result of globalization is a complex web of interconnections and interrelationships that transcend traditional national boundaries, creating challenges and opportunities for individuals, businesses, and governments alike. This process has led to both economic growth and inequality, cultural exchange and homogenization, and environmental degradation and sustainable development.